3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a meerkat. Meerkats are like the curious little explorers of the African desert. They have sandy-colored fur and stand on their hind legs to get a better view of their surroundings. Meerkats live in groups and take turns as sentinels, watching for predators. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a bald eagle. Bald eagles are like the regal, soaring birds of the United States. They have a distinctive white head and tail, along with powerful wings. Bald eagles are symbols of freedom and are known for their impressive hunting skills, often catching fish from rivers and lakes. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an Arctic hare. Arctic hares are like the fluffy, snow-white hoppers of the frigid north. They have thick fur that turns white in winter, helping them blend into the snowy landscape. Arctic hares are well adapted to the cold and use their strong legs to bound across the tundra. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a Siberian tiger. Siberian tigers are like the majestic, orange-striped rulers of the snowy forests. They have a powerful build and a striking coat with bold black stripes. These big cats are excellent hunters and swimmers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are like the playful, intelligent cousins of humans. They have dark fur and live in the forests of Africa. These clever creatures use tools, communicate with each other, and are known for their close-knit family groups. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a pangolin. Pangolins are like the armored knights of the animal kingdom. They have protective scales covering their bodies and long, sticky tongues for slurping up ants and termites. Pangolins are secretive and mostly nocturnal.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.